Hey guys, Dr. Cary Yurkiw here, and today we're talking about don't crack your own back. A few years back, I did a video on YouTube saying that people shouldn't crack their own back. It's not a good idea because when you crack your own back, it causes abnormal pressure on the spine, which can hurt the spine. If you don't know what you're doing, you try to crack your back, it can really harm your back. A good example of this is sometimes patients will put a rib out and they'll try to crack their own back by leaning against a couch or a chair, trying to get that rib back in place. Often that causes spasm and for things to get worse. So it actually contracts and the body starts to protect itself. There's more inflammation after that and there's more nerve pressure. So people come in saying, they tried to crack their own rib to get some relief and it made it worse. Don't crack your own back. Go to see a chiropractor, let them assess your spine, find out what the cause is, do the right type of adjustments to get the bones back into the right place and get the function restored. And that's the best thing you can do when you have a spinal or joint problem that's causing you pain. If you want to see that original video, I'm going to put that in the link below. So please click on that link and you can go back and see that video. It had about 33,000 views. And if you're interested in following our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you every week. We're posting videos. Tonight we have a hip pain webinar, and then we'll have one on foot pain coming up over the weekend, and then wrist pain. So there's always different topics based on what we're doing in the clinic that we can share with you.